morning, good afternoon, good evening. When I'm watching this, welcome to Mighty Monster. And I'm opening up the Gabby's Dollhouse. And let's go in. Oh. And here's the dollhouse, and let's see what's inside. We've got Pandy. It's Pandy in a purple bed. Let's all dig in. And how fast. And here is Pandy in his cute purple bed. I'll just put it in. Here's Pandy. We've got Pandy now. And let's dig into the next one. We've got the next one. What's in this one? Is it a double? Double! Oh, it's Meerkat! The shiny Meerkat. Handy helper hand. And here we've got Meerkat. That put her in. We've got silver. We've got shiny Meerkat. That add it here. And let's dig into the next one. Here's the next one. We've got the last one. It's the car. I'll just check how to build it. Let's check which one we've got. We've got the silver Meerkat. We've got this Meerkat. And we've got this Pandy, and we've got this Gabby, and this fairy kitty, and this car, and pillow kitty. And the last one we've got Meerkat, kitty fairy, pillow cat, this Meerkat, and Pandy, but it's not on this one, the Pandy. We've got to build the next one. Helping on. And we've got the car. And let's put it on the racetrack. It's kind of difficult to put on. And here we've got the car and the silver Meerkat and Pandy. I'll just put them in the middle for you. And these are the ones we've got. We've got this one. And this one, and this one, and this one. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.